The COVID-19 pandemic, starting in March 2020, drastically changed the work landscape, forcing businesses to adapt almost overnight. Businesses had to quickly transition to remote operations, a shift that was unprecedented in its scale and speed. The goal was to ensure business continuity while prioritizing employee safety, which became a top concern. The familiar office environment was replaced by home offices, dining tables, and makeshift workspaces. Video conferencing platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams became essential tools for daily operations. Teams had to learn new ways to connect and share information, often relying on digital collaboration tools. Spontaneous office interactions were replaced by scheduled video calls, which required more planning and coordination. Managers faced the challenge of leading distributed teams, often without the benefit of face-to-face interaction. Employees had to adjust to new communication protocols and find ways to stay productive in a home environment. By early 2022, many initial adjustments had settled into more established patterns, creating a new normal for many. Companies and employees had gained experience with remote and hybrid work models, blending in-person and virtual work. This period provided insights into the lasting effects of the pandemic on work practices, highlighting both challenges and benefits. It allowed for a better understanding of the evolving nature of collaboration and how technology can bridge physical distances. Research indicates a lasting transition towards hybrid work models, blending in-office and remote work seamlessly. Many employees prefer the flexibility of remote work, enjoying the balance it brings to their personal and professional lives. Companies recognize advantages like access to a wider talent pool, reduced real estate costs, and increased employee satisfaction. The initial remote work experiment led to intentional hybrid approaches combining the best of both worlds. A 2021 report by Anthropic showed 67% of knowledge workers prefer hybrid work, highlighting a significant shift in workplace preferences. This preference underscores the need for flexible workplace strategies that cater to diverse employee needs. The same report revealed a 75% increase in virtual meetings, emphasizing the growing reliance on digital communication tools. Organizations must design work models to attract and retain talent, ensuring they remain competitive in a changing landscape. Effective virtual meetings require the right technologies and training, enabling seamless collaboration regardless of location. The future of work is intertwined with these evolving dynamics, shaping how we connect, collaborate, and create value. Remote work changed meeting behaviors. Distractions in meetings dropped significantly with remote participation. The virtual setting encouraged greater attention and active involvement. Social norms shifted to emphasize active engagement in virtual spaces. Visual and verbal engagement became crucial for remote participants. Video, screen sharing, and participatory agendas became essential. Turning on cameras and using interactive features improved focus. These tools transformed virtual meetings into dynamic interactions. Mastering the virtual space best practices and successful implementations. Using video fosters a stronger sense of connections, making remote interactions feel more personal and engaging. Pronounced gestures and eye contact with the camera simulate direct interaction, enhancing the feeling of being present. Active participation ensures all voices are heard, fostering a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued. Screen sharing and pre-reading materials make meetings more productive by keeping everyone on the same page. Limiting distractions and incorporating breaks maintain focus, ensuring participants remain engaged throughout the session. Recording meetings allows for asynchronous viewing, making it easier for team members to catch up on missed content. The University of Washington and Anthropic provide successful examples of implementing these best practices. Structured approaches in education and technology sectors have significantly improved engagement and productivity. Well-designed virtual meetings sustain a strong organizational culture, promoting unity and collaboration among team members. Leading the charge, optimizing virtual collaboration for a lasting future. Strong leadership in virtual collaboration is essential. Clear communication norms create a comfortable environment. Targeted facilitation training transforms virtual meetings. Establishing clear meeting standards enhances consistency. Leaders must model adherence to these standards. Empowering distributed participation prevents a two-tiered system. Regularly gauging employee sentiment allows for adjustments. The shift towards remote and hybrid work is permanent. Optimizing virtual interactions ensures sustained productivity and well-being.